Greetings, greetings, greetings. How you do? I have one question for you today. Where you think Satan could have over you that he can use the false teacher them to draw you away from God? Eh? I want you to think about that. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the second letter from Peter, chapter 2, from verse 1 to verse 22. You did have false prophet where used to come to the people them in the past. As same so now, false teacher will come to uno. Without uno even see what go on. Them we sneak in the false sitting where they teach for make uno trade. And them all say, Jesus Christ, the Lord and Master, and not feed them, Lord. When I him same one did pay for make them go free, so that sin have no power over them. But before they can even back their eye, a hell and powder house them a bring down upon themselves. A whole heap of people are going to follow them and do all kind of nastiness. And say what them do, other people are going to want to say all kind of bad sitting about the way we really lead to God. And all get away there, bad name. Say how them false teacher are greedy. Them are going to make up story for try make money off of uno. But a long time now, then judgment ready. And God nah sleep. He might mash them down. Cause if God nay even spare the angel them where did sin, but did throw them straight down a hell where they chain up in a darkness and wait till judgment come. And if he never spare the old time world, when he send flood upon the people them when no business with him, and no listen what him say, and uncle save Noah. One preacher will preach about the right way, plus 7 other people. And if he fling judgment upon 2 cities, Sodom and Gomorrah, and burn them down a ground, and use them for one people, and make them see a what go reach people when no business with him, and when no listen him. And if he save Lot, one man will do a right in a God's eye, and who did tormented in him soul, take a dirty life where the wicked people them round him did a live. Cause the man there, where did good in a God's eye and do it right, him did live amongst wicked people day after day. And his soul did just tormented, take all of the wrong sit them when him see and hear. So if I saw it go then, that means say the Lord know how to save people with good in him eye from the trial and crosses them with them face. And I see him so, him know to keep the wicked people them when no business with him till judgment day come and go and punish them. And all the one them will ever gain to what them body want, and yet nobody will rule over them, and them him a go punish. Wicked. Them false teacher, yeah. So bright and out order. And think say they know more than everybody else. So they mustn't listen when nobody say. And they not afraid for bad mouth the spirit them will have power for rule over people. But all the angel them, even though them stronger, are more powerful than them they. Them not say nothing bad about them in front of God. But them your false teacher, yeah. They ready for chat against. And I cuss out things where they don't understand. They not even tap and think. Then this are going like wild animal we born for people catch and kill. And I see them so. God, I got cut them down. And for all of the bad sitting them, we didn't do. Some bad sitting, I go reach them too. Where them call fun, I fi do anything with them body want. And them a do them sitting there in a broad daylight too. Them a piece of shame and disgrace. And a shame and disgrace them a go bring down pan uno. When they come fi eat food with uno. And a galang them same kind of way there. Every time they look pan one man, or they look pan one woman, all they can think about, I fi go bed with him, or fi go bed with her. Them ever look for chance to sleep with somebody. Them ever seen a galang so, like say them can't satisfy. And them pull in the weak one, them in a them trap. Them set in a them heart for be greedy. But for all of them sitting here where they do, God go and punish them. Them turn off a right road and gang follow a road where Balaam take. Balaam did a beer picnic. And him did love the money we him get at the wickedness. But the donkey did set him straight. Him donkey talk to him in our man voice and make the prophet tap the madness where him did a do. Them people are coming like one fountain without no water. Them are like cloud where storm blew away. The darkest part of hell wait for them. They make big chat when no nothing and try to draw with the people them we just barely turn away from the people them we not live right. Cause them people are barely move away from them sitting there and we still well want to have sex. Even though they're not married and double in all kind of sin. The false teacher them use this and draw them away. Them promise say them go free the people them. But them same one, a slave. And wickedness are the master. Cause the whole away a slave for anything we are rule over we. If nobody manage to get away from the wickedness at that world, cause then come to know we Lord Jesus Christ, the one we save we. And then them same one go tie up by himself in a wickedness and make it conquer them. Them worse are off now than before them did first believe and start follow Jesus. Them would have better off if they never know the right way in a first place than if they know it and then go turn them back power God said if they do. The said message where them did get. Them prove say the proverb them right. For true. The proverb them say, one dog turn back to where he vomit up. And one pig will wash off already, gone back, gone walla in a mud. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.